beautiful people. How are you doing today? So, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do what subscribe. For returning subscriber, thank you and love you. And this is Sam also. So, in this video today, I'll be talking about how you can get paid using surveys. A lot of you don't believe that you can actually get paid with surveys, but actually yes. And one of these surveys I'll be talking about will pay you into your Nigerian bank account. It is as simple as that. You understand? So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? The link will be in the description box. The description box is where the details of a video is. I don't know if you understand. Not everybody understands where the description box is, where the details or writings of a video is. That is where we call the description box. You understand? So in this video, we'll be talking about two particular websites that will actually pay you to take surveys, answer some questions, talk about some things, and just your honest review. The first one I'll be looking at is this newtonx.com. Yeah, newtonx.com. Newtonx.com is a questionnaire website where big companies like Pinterest, Google, gather information from. People go there to answer questions about their softwares, their company, their product, what they've used it for. You understand? And so far so good. The website accepts professionals worldwide. You understand? Now, if you're signing up on the website, you sign up as a professional. You understand? So, as a professional reviewer, be answering questions. You get it is newtonx.com. You get it also has 130 million professionals in Europe that are signing up on the website, doing the surveys, and it has 30 million professionals in Africa. So if you are part of the 30 million, lucky you. This website will actually pay you somewhere around $10 per survey to $30, depending on the company. So company like Pinterest actually likes that company, or actually use these websites. Pinterest, Google, and other popular websites actually use this particular website. So all you'll be doing on this website is providing your honest opinion about a particular product, website, or software. You understand? It is very, very simple, although it can take as high as 15 to 20 minutes, but it is what you can do at least for this small $20, $30. Now, the next one I'll be talking about is my favorite too. Is my favorite. Maybe you will need a glass of wine, a cup of water to digest this, because I have been saying this over and over again. Mobrog pays Nigeria. When I tell you, you take your surveys in dollars, Mobrog will pay you, and pay you, and they accept workers worldwide. You understand? What you just need to do is to keep on checking your email. Mobrok will always send you email to take their surveys once you sign up. You understand? They will just ask you. Majorly, they usually ask if you're a Nigerian. They usually ask about beverages. All these soft drinks. Which do you prefer? All these Milo beverages, Bonvita. There was a survey I took that was even about Pampers. I think you should be more careful if you're answering questions on Mobrog, because Mobrog is a popular website, and they'll pay you, like, in fact, you make money if you refer somebody. And by the way, my link is in the description box or on the Telegram channel. You can sign up on Mobrog and you get $1 free if you use my link to sign up. And that $1 is withdrawable once you're able to do one or two surveys on the website. You understand? Normal Mobrog will send you surveys, like survey from Coca-Cola, survey from soft drink, survey from beverages, survey from Pampers, survey from electronics. You understand? All these normal things that they do ask you, which do you prefer, LG or Samsung? You say I prefer Samsung. They will ask you why. You tell them that okay, because Samsung is durable, something like that. Oh no, I prefer LG. Why? Because LG is long lasting. All those kind of things. And that's basically what you do when you answer surveys on Mobrock or Newton X. You understand? So hit the description, hit that description. If you have not, sign up, sign up. Now you've been watching me and you have not subscribed. What are you waiting for? Answer me, what are you waiting for? After digesting all this information, you cannot subscribe, you cannot like and share this video. Oh yeah, 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 I'm waiting for you. Oh yeah, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Because I don't know, but the truth is you can make money with surveys and you get paid. Although some survey website will ask you to get it to pay you using gift card, some using coins, but this one will pay you in dollars. You don't need gift card, you don't need coins, it will pay you in dollars. I've answered a survey that is like $5. Yes, I got their email and I was able to answer the survey and I made $5. Not once, not twice. Some of you will sign up and tell me and you've signed up but you are not getting survey. How many of you after signing up do go back to your website to check your Gmail? How many of you do go back to your Gmail to check if Mobrock has actually messaged you or drop an email for you? But no. So please, if you have not signed up, please sign up. Make sure you fill in the correct details. You understand? And make sure you try to make them know that you are one of the sole decision makers in your house. And as for the Newton X, you can sign up as a participant. Please don't sign up as a regular somebody. Just sign up as a participant. I'll try to leave some details here that you see it. And I have another video on other website that can pay you. The link will be in the description box. You can check out those websites as well if you're looking for how you can make money in one of the easiest ways. So guys, I'll be having a YouTube class. So if you have not joined the Telegram group, what are you waiting for? I'll be having a YouTube class. The class is not free. The class is not free. I'll be dropping the flyer soon. So please be prepared. The class is not free, but the class is not expensive as well. You'll be getting information on how to increase your views on YouTube, how to sign up on YouTube, how to maximize your earnings on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube. Without wasting much of our time, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have not turned on the notification bell, turn on the notification bell. Like this video and thank you.